Welcome back to my channel, American Beast Bikes. Today we're diving into something seriously exciting, the 2024 Ducati Monster 1200. This is a bike that blends classic Ducati character with modern technology, and trust me, it's a beast on the road. Now, if you're a fan of the Ducati Monster series, you already know how iconic this bike is. The 2024 version continues that tradition but cranks up the power, style, and handling to a whole new level. Ducati has fine-tuned this machine to make it a thrill for both casual riders and the more experienced adrenaline junkies. Let's start with what's under the hood. The Monster 1200 is packing 1198cc Testastretta 11-degree engine, delivering an impressive 147 horsepower at 9,250 RPM. That kind of power is more than enough to satisfy any rider looking for an aggressive, torque-heavy experience. You'll feel it pull as soon as you twist that throttle. Ducati knows how to craft engines that not only perform well but also sound incredible. The deep, throaty growl of the Monster 1200 is unmistakable, and it's one of those things that really connects you to the bike. The chassis on the 2024 Monster 1200 has been refined to give you the best possible handling without sacrificing comfort. It features an updated frame and Ducati's signature single-sided swing arm, which gives it a balanced, agile feel even at high speeds. Whether you're carving through tight corners or cruising on the highway, this bike remains planted, responsive, and incredibly fun to ride. And let's talk about design. Ducati nailed it again with the Monster's aesthetics. The bike maintains that naked Streetfighter look we all love, but with sleek updates to make it even more aggressive. The slimmed-down LED headlight, muscular fuel tank, and minimalistic tail section give the 2024 Monster a sharper, more modern appearance. Ducati's attention to detail is evident in every curve and contour, making it a head-turner whether it's parked or in motion. Tech-wise, this bike doesn't disappoint. You get a full-color TFT display with all the riding modes you'd expect, including sport, touring, and urban, allowing you to adjust the bike's performance to match your environment. Ducati's traction control and ABS cornering are also standard, giving you that extra layer of safety and stability when you push the limits. One of the things I really love about the Monster 1200 is that it's a bike you can live with daily, but it also has the ability to unleash some serious power when you want it. It's not just a track monster, it's versatile enough for commuting, weekend rides, and even long-distance trips, thanks to its comfortable ergonomics. So, if you're in the market for a bike that brings a perfect balance of raw power, style, and cutting-edge tech, the 2024 Ducati Monster 1200 should definitely be on your radar. It's a true icon that delivers on its legendary name. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to American Beast Bikes, and let me know in the comments what you think about the 2024 Monster 1200. Would you ride it? And how do you think it stacks up against other bikes in its class? Until next time, ride safe and stay wild.